Good morning. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today is a Saturday. I'm heading to school, which normal people don't do on a Saturday, but I'm a construction student, so I guess I have to go. So this is my outfit for the day. Yeah, put it in the can. So we can't wear crop tops to school. That's why I have on the jacket. At this point, I was thinking about Sesame Street and my favorite Sesame character popped up, so. It's 8:12 when I logged into the book, and it's now 12 minutes past my class time because class starts at 8. So yeah, we're walking. It's a long road chase. We're not done yet.
Oh, I know me I go. I think I'll go right.
So the man says it's a long road, so we are all the way up.
They're gonna something like wow.
I got my construction boots. He carried daddy's construction boots. We carry a chair because there's literally nowhere to sit in there. It's one of my favorite yet most hated class.
I have water.
Yeah, I carry water in my bag. And Brownie, I think Chase carried lunch because we're gonna be there from 8 straight to 1 o'clock. That's amazing.
You signed up for the class, so.
I had no choice. The teacher never put down my grade in the first semester, so now I'm stuck doing this course again.
Every time you see that more than salt.
This is more than salt, but you know what? The experience is what it's all about. I mean, I don't need this to do architecture, but I just want to get the experience.
Socialize, sister.
No. Unless it's required, I do not. Just talk out loud and for the hearing. I think I'm good now, you can extra.
We're not spending all the time. I want to feed you.
Don't touch it, bro.
Yeah, video shot in now.
I know why I'm a big again, I don't know, sir.
Yeah, Mark, that's something.
Say it to them.
I know, sir. Go ahead. I know, I'm wearing my bag. I'm wondering when we can get so much good from.
It's something sharp.
I put it sharp.
Keep it a minute, and we move at the end and turn it down.
I'm bleeding blood.
That's why you see how the safety gear.
See why you must wear your safety gear, Shayde?
Are you with a comfortable? Me know me never can
Safety
gloves.
gears is a must, Shayde.
Yeah, they know. Where you?
Here.
Safety gears is a must. There's no shortcut when it comes down to safety.
It's after 1:30 and we still haven't got picked up to go home, and I have somewhere to be at 2 o'clock. Sir, I try to hold me hostage in a class. For what reason? I don't know. I'm tired, my hands are sticky. I don't want to be here anymore.